Hi, Rose. Where are you going? I'm looking for my puppy. He's ran out. I've just seen him. He ran across the street and jumped onto the roof of the car. Oh my God! Do you know where the car is going? The car belongs to Mrs. Boots. She is on the way to the Tesco supermarket. You can come there to find him. Oh, okay. Thank you. How can I go to the Tesco supermarket? You walk past the post office. It's in front of the Barnes bookstore, besides the Jura Park and opposite to the Broadway cinema. Okay, I'll go there now. Hello. Have you seen any white puppy run around here?
I saw a small white one. It jumped down from a car and walked behind a woman. I think it followed her dog.
Really? Do you remember how the woman looks?
She is in a black coat, she has a red hat on her head, and a purple bag on her shoulder.
Is she still in the supermarket?
I especially remember this woman because she looks very beautiful. Two cute dogs. After getting out of the supermarket, she went straight into Jura Park.
Okay, I will run towards the Jura Park to find him now. Thank you for your nice support.
You're welcome.
Hello, Jenny. Why are you crying? Hello, Rose. I've lost my small bag. Oh my! Where did you put your bag? I put it on the chair. It was behind my back when I saw a parrot flying over the sky, so I stood up and ran out to watch it. How long did it take? Just around 2 minutes. When I came back, my bag was lost. Did you find it under the chair? It might have fallen down. No, I bent down to search, but nothing. I guess someone stole it. Did you see anybody standing near you at the time? I saw a boy with a mask on his face. He walked towards the bush very fast when I came back to my feet. Maybe he is the stealer. Any other things inside your bag? My wallet. I always keep some extra money in my bag in case of emergencies. Anything else? Some books I bought at Hooray Bookstore and some snack foods at McDonald's restaurant. Oh, poor you. Did you come here alone or with somebody? I was waiting for my friend. That's Nancy. She was standing at the ice cream stalls to buy some ice cream. I see. When Nancy's back, both of you should go directly to the police station within 10 miles from here. Can you direct me to the nearest one? At the end of Abbey Road. They may help you to find as soon as possible. Yes, I think so. What about you? Where are you going? I'm finding my little puppy. I was sleeping on the carpet when I opened the gate. But when I got out of the kitchen to take some food for him, he disappeared. Is that little Moops at the Smart Dog? Yes. Did you see him? I heard dog sounds, but not sure if it was Moops or not. Okay, no problem. Hopefully it's smart enough to come back home. Sure, don't worry, it will. Yeah, I hope so. I miss him a lot. Look, Nancy is coming back. She's carrying 2 scoops of ice cream on her hand. Nancy, this is Rose, my neighbor, and this is my classmate, Nancy. Hi, Nancy. It's nice to meet you. Hi, Rose. It's nice to meet you, too. Did you have to wait long? Yes, I had a queue in line for nearly 15 minutes. There was a big crowd in front of the ice cream stall. Nancy, I lost my bag while I was waiting for you. I think we should come to the police station now. How unlucky. Okay, let's go. I think I'll go with both of you. I need to inform the police of my lost dog as well. What's that noise? It's from the restaurant over there. I heard Mook's sound. He is over there. It's him, the guy I saw. He is the criminal. Hi, girls. Thanks to this dog, I was able to arrest him. Oh, this is my bag. Moops knows that it's mine because it has my image on the surface. Clever dog. It helped us to chase after the thief. What happened? Can you tell us the whole story? I was walking along the lake in Jura Park when the thief ran to me and robbed me of my necklace. What did Moops do? The dog barked at the man, chased him out of the park and down the street.
At that time, I was walking out of the restaurant when I saw the thief zipping by me.
How dangerous!
Moops ran very fast and jumped at the man, made him crash into the tree. People rushed into the thief to catch him.
Thank you, Guy. Luckily, you called the police to come just in time.
Oh, you're welcome. I have read about the thief on the newspaper, that he often appeared in the park to steal things from people. Finally, he was put into jail.
Now he has been arrested and everything is right now.
Oh, I forgot my car keys on the table. I need to go back.
Goodbye. Thank you for what you have done today. You did a great job. Why did you run away from me? I think because of this beautiful puppy. Your dog ran after my Ruby from the beginning when I stopped my car close to your house. You see, Rose, Moops is looking straight into Ruby's eyes. They fell in love with each other. They seem to be very happy. Moops is now Ruby's hero. So that's the reason. I think the two dogs should meet each other frequently.
Yes, that's right. They'll be a perfect couple.
Will you be free today? I'd like to invite you to visit my house.
Sorry, I need to come to the airport to pick up my daughter. She will fly from New York and arrive here at 8 p.m.
That's a pity. Hope to see you soon.
Yes, I will definitely keep in touch with you.
May I get your phone number, please?
Yes, here you are. I'll come to your house one day. Please keep contact.
For sure. I'll call you when Moops misses Ruby.
Thank you, Moops. You deserve to be my Ruby's mate. Oh, I need to rush back home to prepare everything now. It's already 6:30 p.m. Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. See you soon.
Are you getting hungry? I think we should go to a food store near here.
That sounds nice. Moops, do you want a yummy pizza? Haha, clever dog. You will get everything you want today. Let's go.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.